Okay, so we're just going to head out. We need to grab a bit of extra coffee for the morning. We have an early start tomorrow. We're heading to the Taj Mahal, and we're going to be doing that as the morning start, so we'll be up quite early. So just going to head out for a coffee. Just want to show you around a little bit here. So this is where we're staying here, the Lucky Guest House. I think they have a couple of different spots. There's like a restaurant over there, they have a store, and when we checked in, we had to check into this area here. So this is like the reception and check-in area. As you can see there, Lucky Guest House. Hello sir, how are you today? You okay? Good, good. So you have to be careful on these roads, that is for sure, although it seems a little bit quieter than usual, which is good. So we're going to head to the store, which is down here, to grab the coffee. That's okay, we've got some friendly dogs here, which is okay. So the Taj Mahal is actually over in this direction. Hello sir. Hello. Hello. Taj Mahal's over in this direction over there, which is where we'll be heading tomorrow. I'm not really too sure whether we're going to walk or maybe get like a tuk-tuk or something just to drive us over there. We shall see. Yeah, so we're going to head down here. We do have laundry services, which is good. We haven't used them, but we'll be... if you need laundry, you can get that just here. Hello sir. Hello. Laundry just over there. And it is hot. Just have to tell you, it's very, very hot. Like, it literally feels like it's 40 or 50 degrees out here. I mean, it isn't officially. I think it's like 35 or 36. Hello sir, how are you today? You okay? You good? Yeah, actually, I'm going to come and buy some coffee from you if that's okay.
Yes, sir. How are you?
Nice to see you. Yeah, we met yesterday, didn't we? You remember me?
Yes,
Oh, you met my wife? It's very good, yeah.
Yes, sir. How are you?
I'm good today, yeah, not too bad. Actually, I will buy some coffee if that's okay. Maybe like 4 packs, is that okay? I don't need too much, because we're leaving tomorrow, so come for a little bit.
Going?
We're going to go see the Taj Mahal in the morning, and then we're off to Jaipur.
When?
Tomorrow, like afternoon? Early afternoon, yeah, early afternoon.
But tomorrow you will see that Taj.
Yes,
you will go.
yes, and then after we will go, yeah.
Now how many, sir?
Maybe 4 is okay. How much are they each, sir?
40.
40?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what we got. Don't want to give you too many big bills like last time.
Do you need anything, sir? Water?
No, we're okay for water, thank you. Here we go, it's 50 there. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm okay for water, that's enough. The coffee's good for me. You can keep this, it's fine. You sure? Okay. How is business? I was going to ask you, do you see many tourists here?
Sorry?
Do you see many tourists come through here?
Yeah.
Anyone from England?
No, I don't know about it, but sir, there are many customers from here.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is a tourist place. That's why all tourists come there and they see the Taj, then after they see the market.
Go for the market?
It's all our market.
So the market is just all through this way?
Everything available here.
Okay.
Everything available here. They will provide you everything.
Okay. Yeah. But the market, is it just for the night time or all day?
No. Just only for day.
Okay, lovely.
Closed.
And how is it? Would you say it's safe for tourists? It's safe, no problem?
Very safe. The tourists are very safe at this place.
Yeah? So if I walk down here, will I be okay?
There are we can say that two religions. Just like first, the customer are safe. All shopkeepers, they will not cheating to anybody.
Oh, good. I'm happy to hear.
This is for everybody, every person's. This is the price. We will take you every for 20. This, for example, this 20 rupees for everyone.
For everyone, yeah, that's good. That's how it should be.
We will not cheat to anybody.
Okay, that's good. That's good. And what about like security, sir? Would you say it's safe for like someone like me to just walk with the cameras, no problem?
No problem, sir. Everything is you are very safe in this place.
Very good. Okay, very good. Well, I'm gonna have a little quick walk down there and see what I can find.
Yeah, very fine.
And then I'll
sir.
come back and say hello to you on the way back. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Nice to see you again.
Happy journey, sir. Happy journey.
Thank you. Happy journey. Thank you. Thank you. All right, very friendly shopkeeper there. So you can, so there you have it. It's very safe. Hello, sir. You okay? Hello. So you can see everything's very safe, and the market is just down this direction. I'm not going to go too far because I'm not feeling absolutely great today. So I'm just going to take you down a little bit further, and then we'll head back. Hello. Hello.
Oh, my friend, you like meat?
Hello, my friend. No, I'm okay for now, thank you. I'm okay, but thank you for offering. From England? Where? From England, yeah. I'm just visiting for one day. I'm going to see the Taj tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, yeah. Tomorrow morning, yeah. Okay, I'm looking forward to it. It should be good. Okay, boss. So nice to meet you. Bye-bye. Hello. See people very friendly, which is good. A little alleyway down there. Hello, sir. How are you today?
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
England, lovely job.
From England, lovely jubbly, yeah. I'm from London. You know London?
Yes, I know.
Yeah, I support
many
Arsenal.
friends, they coming my restaurant in London.
Okay.
That's upon the restaurant, the street restaurant.
Oh,
Street
okay.
restaurant, you search in TripAdvisor at Google, where you could recommendation, you
Oh,
can search
nice.
it.
Okay.
And there is also
okay.
cold beer as well.
Cold beer is very good
And
as well.
also buffalo fried steak with chips.
Oh,
It's
okay.
very good combination.
You see me, yesterday I had some food, and today I'm not feeling very good today.
Okay.
Yeah, feeling a bit, so I'm not eating today.
Go
Taking it
the
steady.
camera.
What's your name, sir?
My name Talib.
Talib, nice to meet you. My name's Leon.
Thank you, to you.
Lovely to meet you. Yeah, lovely to meet you. I'm just going to go for a circle and walk back,
Yes, and
but
go
nice to
there's
see
a
you.
corner one with
Yeah.
the street restaurant there. You can see also.
So I can go down here. If
No,
I
the
go down
corner on
here,
that side.
if I go down here and go left, will I come back over there?
Yes.
Okay, all right. I'm going to do that then. Okay, nice to meet you, sir.
See you.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. All right. Hello. Hello. Hi. So then we got some food here. Hello. Having some food. Like I say, as you just heard, I'm not having the best of days today, so not sure why. So feeling a little bit fragile in the tummy. So I'm not really going for any food today. You okay? Right. I just wanted to take a quick walk round. You gotta watch the bikes here. Sorry, sir. Hello. Hi. Okay, so I'm gonna go and take this left turn. We got some fruit and veg here. Hello, hello, hi. All right, plenty of little stores and shops that you can buy bits and pieces from, which is really good. Hello, sir. How are you today? You okay? Sorry? No, I'm okay for now. I'm going back to my room, but nice to meet you anyway. My name's Leon. Nice to meet you. Is okay on the camera? Is okay? Okay. Look, we're going to say a quick hello to some. We've got some more fruit and veg here. Cow, hello. All right. Oh, what's down here? Just have a quick wander over here. It's actually, do you know what? Like when I first came out, it felt really warm, but it's actually not too bad now. It's not too bad at all. Hello. Oh, I'm okay. Thank you, though. Thanks for that. I'm okay. I'm not eating at the moment, but thank you very much. Yeah, thank you, sir. Look, we have like a gate over here. Not really too sure what's down there, but I'm not going to go down that way. A tuk-tuk. Hello, sir. All right. Okay. Well, let's head back to the hotel. That was just a very quick whistle-stop tour of the area. Again, we have a nice restaurant here as well, and a nice restaurant over there, which is good. Okay, mind the dog. I don't know where he just came from, but he was like shaking off, so maybe I had a little bit of bit of a shower. Okay. Another guest house just there, another place to eat, which is good. Okay. Oh. The air conditioning will be nice, even though I just said it's not too hot. The air conditioning will be nice, but it's actually a bit cloudier today, so I think that's really helped just relinquish some of the heat, which is good. This is the police station, so that's just literally right by the hotel, which is quite nice. Helps you feel nice and secure and safe, which is great. All right. Right, let's get back. I navigated nicely. Very nearly had a scooter over my foot there. Hello. Seriously, you really have to keep your wits about you here. There is scooters and tuk-tuks and bikes just rolling around absolutely everywhere. So you have to be really careful for that. Hello. Hi. Okay, so here we are, we're back. So I'm just gonna head back in. Later on we're gonna go up to the top there, which is where we'll be able to see the Taj Mahal for dinner. So we're gonna head up the top there with Jackson and Mayo. And actually, there they are. How about that? Hello guys, you going upstairs for a sec?
Yes.
Oh, okay, I'll come and join you, lead the way.
You survived?
I did, yeah. I went right down the bottom and just kind of did the triangle and just had a chat with a few people, and it was alright, yeah. It wasn't too bad. Nearly got run over literally right at the end, which was so funny. I was like standing here, and I'd probably say the scooter was literally like maybe about an inch from my foot.
Yeah, I got that as well.
Did you have that as well? Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Me too.
I think so, yeah.
Oh man, so maybe we have kind of the same movie.
Quite possibly, yeah. I just kind of went down into the market part, and yeah, it was okay. It wasn't too bad. Alright, let's leave it there and we'll see you for dinner.
Here's dinner. Oh boy. So the platter that I have here, I have the special thali, dal fried, mixed vegetable, paneer butter masala, jeera rice, 4 butter chapati, traditional sweet raita, salad, papad, and pickle. And what do you have there?
I have the KADAI chicken, half a chicken in here. Okay, let's go upstairs and let's see if we can get a glimpse of the Taj. With maybe a bit of sun, but you never know. Look at this, look at that. Yeah, I mean, I would say the cooking was very tasty, but I'm not sure I'd say it was done well for our stomachs. Jen is feeling pretty bad, so am I, so I'm not sure if that's from there, but I'm braving it to come up here. This is the little restaurant area. Spot here. If you're wondering why it's caged, it's because there's a lot of monkeys here. We saw one yesterday, I can't see any at the moment, but that's the reason it's caged. But yeah, there you go. There is the great Taj Mahal. There it is. The glorious Taj Mahal. And as you may see, like actually we're very lucky here, hence why it's called the Lucky Guest House, because no buildings are allowed to be higher than two stories, like here. So at 3 stories, because it's over 50 years old, it's allowed to stay at this height, and yeah, it gets such a great view. The only place with a view like this in the whole area of Agra. Alright, that's it for me. As you can probably tell, I'm not doing well, so I am going to peace out. Let's close that, stop the monkeys getting in.